What up, online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss. We all online bosses. Guys, today, wow, I'm gonna tell you some news that's gonna shock you. If you hold NFTs, potentially not good. And if you don't own NFTs, potentially a good time to buy NFTs. Because I do believe in the value of NFTs long term. The word NFTs, I do believe will get kind of evolved. I think this whole profile picture narrative kind of stops now. But it doesn't mean that all the other projects cannot sustain their community and build from what they have created. But for future, it's not going to be about profile pictures. It's going to be about actual utility, actual purpose. You actually got something tangible. It's not just buy my NFT and buy into my pipe dream. No, they're going to have to, the owners of these projects are going to have to physically show you guys something and give you guys something tangible, not just raise millions of dollars and give you nothing. So guys, some big news today. Before we go into it, let's just give you a quick market update. Hope everybody's well. Okay, cool. Guys, so you know I'm always showing you the good projects. You know me, guys. I'm here teaching you guys how to make money online. Predominantly, it's going to be through Web3, but also it's going to be for a lot of other things, guys, because I've literally made money online from every single legit source you can think of. Okay, so check out this. So put this one on your radar, guys. Utes. So basically, these guys, I'm not sure if you know Fidenza, but basically, actually no, sorry, these are not Fidenzas. This one's Fidenza. Okay, cool. So industrial millennialism, can't even pronounce that. So industrial NFT. So guys, this could be epic. It's a bit of a big boy one, but if you've got the funds, do a bit of research. It could be one for a quick flip. So basically, these guys are powered by art blocks. So art blocks brought to you Fidenzas and Fidenzas, maybe 150 ETH, something like that. So this one's a big boy one. But to get in there, you gotta come to the Twitter, gonna go to the pre-mint, and it does cost 0.5 for a pre-mint. Obviously, do your own research before you pay for anything, but I'm just putting you guys on the radar. This is something that if you get into, you know, it's the potential of it is high. Like it's art blocks, 1.5k thousand followers in like what in this month, and these don't bot. Like this is, you're talking about art blocks. This is not bots. This is genuine people trying to get in this project. So I believe you get in this project, you can make a lot of money. Not financial advice, but definitely put this on your radar, guys. Okay, cool. Utes, let's go back to Utes. Okay, cool. So Utes are created by a project called D-Dogs? Yeah, D-Dogs. They are on Solana Networks, and these guys are the same guys from D-Gods. So definitely put this on your radar. They've got some really notable people following them. This is how I look for gems, guys, and I see that if it's a gem, because many people in the space are following this guy. Don't hardly follow anyone. Kings, Wendy, Crypto Wendy. So this is a big one. This is a big one, guys. This is actually a really big one. So they're actually handpicking their community. So I advise you guys to jump in the Discord, do a bit of research, see how you can get in, and they are actually handpicking people. So you probably have to fill out a form in the Discord. Then, if you can see here, Utes list all people that got in on this project, and that's be able to mint. So definitely want to put on your radar, guys, and potentially mint. Okay, guys, so let's move on. So the kind of the deep news of the day, and why this potentially could crash the NFT market. This is nuts, guys. So this Bend DAO is a loaning platform, it's a borrowing platform, and basically you can give them your NFTs, and they in return will give you ETH in loan for your NFTs from 30 to 40% of the floor price. So what happens is, let's go into it. If it hits a certain amount of ETH price, they have to sell. And imagine there could be easily be a liquidation, a large liquidation cascade. Because what happens now, guys, because we are in a better market, soon as these JPEGs, these NFTs go to below a certain amount, they have to sell straight away. So they're going to have supply and demand. If people are selling more than people are buying, it will crash the market, literally. And there's actually scores. These are actually going scores, like health scores. And they're literally kind of like at 1.1, 1.2 health score. And like at 1 health score, they have to sell. So this is pretty epic. And this is just bend out. Obviously, there's other platforms that you can loan your NFTs to. So it could be potentially be a big, epic liquidation. But this isn't a bad thing, guys. Like, we're in a recession, guys. Like, come on, JPEGs are going to have a big crash. But as Warren Buffett says, be greedy what others are fearful, and be fearful what others are greedy. So if you believe in NFTs, like I believe in NFTs. I believe in like the profile picture thing is a narrative, but you need some sort of purpose behind it. So moving forward, yeah, you have profile pictures, but with this utility, not a pipe dream utility, like a utility already. Like for instance, we're opening a Wealth University and we're actually having NFTs tied into that. So it's that part of a community, you know, people like posting, putting their profile pictures. I'm part of this community, and it's flexing. So I do understand that will always be there, but just that narrative of open a profile picture, sell out on a pipe dream isn't going to exist. It will be attached to businesses, established businesses, or businesses that already have tangible value. All right then, guys. I always love coming on, giving you guys some knowledge, dropping some gems on you guys. But, you know, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Till next time, peace out.